Everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install module in Scilab. So if you want to install module in Scilab, there is the option module manager atoms. So you click on the module manager. You will get a window like this in which you're having a lot of modules. Bioinformatics module. So if you want to do any bioinformatics technique, you can insert this module, and data analysis, data handling, image processing, optimization, then XCAS, signal processing. So you can install any module in Scilab. Now I'm going to show you how to install Scilab computer vision module. So I'm clicking this all modules and I'm searching where is the computer vision module. Yes, it's here. So I'm just clicking it. See in the right hand side, it display the features of this module. See, you can access all the functions and objects of OpenCV in Scilab. And these are the features of Scilab computer vision module. You can do input and output, then GUI, image processing, object detection, 2D features detection. You can analyze the video, computational photography, then camera calibration, features matching, image stitching, video stabilization, super resolution, machine learning, GPU. So you can do all these works in Scilab. So now I'm going to install this module. So see here, there is the option install. I'm just clicking it. Now it is installing. See, after successful installation, you'll get a message like this: installation done. Please restart Scilab to take changes into the account. So now I'm just closing the Scilab. I'm going to restart the Scilab. Yes. See, now you can see you have successfully installed the computer vision module. So you can do all the computer vision techniques into the Scilab. So if you want to simulate your computer vision techniques into Scilab, you need a module called as computer vision. So after installing this module only, you can able to simulate the computer vision techniques. Thank you all. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.